In a world where whispers of the wind carried secrets, a curious soul pondered, why do we hiccup? The stars twinkled in response. It's the dance of the diaphragm, a reminder of life's unexpected rhythms. A gentle breeze added, embrace the hiccups, for they teach resilience. A nearby stream chuckled, even the smoothest flow meets a pebble. The soul smiled, realizing that hiccups were life's way of saying, pause, breathe, and continue. With newfound wisdom, the soul whispered to the night, every hiccup is a step in the dance of life.